Can I use Afterpay to pay bills? Can I use Afterpay to pay bills? You can sometimes use Afterpay to pay bills, but only if the biller accepts card payments or through apps like Snip in Australia. Afterpay is made for shopping, not paying bills. You can not pay rent or loans with Afterpay. You can use Afterpay card where MasterCard is accepted. Some medical or vet bills can be paid if they accept card payments. Utility bills usually don't work unless paid through a retail partner. Government taxes cannot be paid with Afterpay. Apps like Snip in Australia let you split bills into 4 payments. Payments are split into 4 parts over 6 weeks. You must budget carefully or risk late fees. It is best for small bills, not essential bills like your rent.